Random Amazon Summer Find. This is a mini portable AC unit that gives you up to 9 hours of cold air. This mini AC unit is perfect for both home and outdoor use for all of your summer adventures.
To set 20 different alarms just to wake up in the morning. This bedside lamp wakes you up naturally with a sunrise simulation. There's 4 different models to choose from based on your budget. And to unwind in the evening, it mode with calming sounds.
This is the flying saucer ball. It pops up and flashes, keeping my dogs entertained for hours when I'm busy. My dogs go crazy over this toy. It also helps with their separation anxiety and helps prevent destructive behavior. Happy pup, happy owner.
Amazon finds you need part 27. This is no ordinary lunchbox. You can plug it in to heat up your food. Throw away your microwave! You can even use it in the car. Just pack your food into the stainless steel container and plug it in. Wait a few minutes and then enjoy your hot meal. Amazon finds you need part 25. This thing sucks, and I mean it. It's portable and very high powered, perfect for the car. It also comes with attachments which makes it easy for hard to reach places. To clean it, just unscrew the cap, pull out the bin and dump the dirt away. The filter is easily cleanable too. Oh, and it's also USB-C compatible and charges super quickly.